Unit 1. Developing vocabulary and listening. Exercises 3 and 4. Speaker 1.
He said that if the position of the writing is straight up, this shows independence. If it goes to the left, then this shows that you might be shy. My handwriting goes to the left, and I'd say I'm not that confident, so he was right there. But then the size of my writing is large, and he said that meant that you were outgoing and sociable, or that you were trying to be. So I suppose he was right again. Anyway, I think I might try and change the direction of my handwriting now, so that I perhaps look more confident.
Speaker 2.
We don't have to agree with his comments. He did seem very intelligent. I mean, imagine being able to read 300 signs in a person's handwriting. But I actually changed my handwriting about 2 years ago because I decided my old style wasn't very attractive. It was small and spidery. I didn't like it. Now, does this mean that my personality has changed? I don't think so. I don't really believe all this stuff. It sounds good, but I'm not convinced.
Speaker 3. Interestingly, he said that the dots on my letter I's were all over the place. That suggests that I'm forgetful and not very organised. And I think my friends would agree. I'm always losing things that belong to me. It drives them mad. But on the positive side, he also said that my M's, N's and H's were large, and that shows that I am helpful and sociable. I'd like to hear some more, I think, so I can decide how useful graphology really is. Speaker 4.
I quite like my handwriting, and people generally say it's neat and attractive, but I hadn't noticed anything in particular about it until I spoke to him. He said I had about 3 different styles in my handwriting, but that this was quite normal. He also noticed the wide spaces I have between my words. Apparently, that means that I like my own company. I'm independent. That was interesting. And he also commented on the narrow margins on the right of the page, where I get to the end of the line. He said that these showed I was impatient to get on with things. I think all this graphology stuff is really interesting.